What is global warming? Global warming is a slow, gradual increase of the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. What causes global warming? Global warming is caused because of the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a process in which gases in the atmosphere trap the sun's heat. The greenhouse effect is not bad. This makes life in air possible. The problem is that with human activities, these gases have been increasing, and this increasing of gases have captured more and more sun heat, more than it is necessary. Like for example, one example of human activities that has modified the greenhouse effect is the burning of fossil fuels. This burning creates carbon dioxide, one of the major greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This increasing of this gas have made that more and more heat is trapped, and this had provoked the global warming. How does global warming affect the world? Global warming has led to climate changing, and this climate changing had made changes everywhere. Because of the rising of temperature, the glaciers are melting, and this is rising up the sea. Also is warming of the sea. Other changes are the extreme weathers. What is the world doing to prevent it? To prevent more pollution, more carbon dioxide, many solutions were made to shift the way we make and consume energy. Some potential ways to reduce carbon dioxide are putting prices on carbon, protecting forests, improvements in biofuel, increasing the solar and wind power, and using biofuels of organic waste. What can I do to prevent it? Some things I can do to prevent it is reuse, reduce, and recycle, and not wasting paper, water, or energy. Some examples of these are closing the water while I'm brushing my teeth, using a bucket instead of a hose to wash the car, put water on plants at night, using less the car and walk instead, or use the bicycle, change to LED lights, etc. Can global warming affect us in the long or in the short term? Well, it can affect us in both. In the short term, it can affect us talking about health issues, such as increasing of asthma and lung cancer. This is because of the amount of carbon dioxide in the earth that it's not good for our health. Another thing of short term is the anxiety of people about the end of our world if we don't do something about pollution. In the long term, we have several things, but one are the political conflicts that in the future we will lack of natural resources, so countries will fight against each other to have more natural resources for their people. And they will fight too because they will blame each other of what happened and why we don't have natural resources. Another thing is that with the rising of sea levels because of the melting of glaciers, the coastal and marine ecosystem will be affected, and also the coastal cities will be flooded. Another thing is that the animals will disappear, and some species are very important to our food chain, so if they are gone, our food chain will be changed, and this will cause a chaos between humans and animals.